Let's see. Hey y'all. Day in the life. So I am just gonna show y'all a little bit of what goes on. I'm using my gimbal and it's just doing whatever it wants to do. Okay, so as you can see, this is our conference room. Beautiful views, beautiful gowns, beautiful people. You know, this is where we come when we need to meet with people. And Santessa just had an amazing meeting. Would you like to tell them how your meeting went?
Absolutely.
Wait, let me turn it back around. Hold on. It's tracking my face, so okay.
So today's meeting just went incredibly well. I let our client know all of the options that she had for a loan, and she told me to go work my magic. So that's what we're gonna do.
Yes. And Dana, we have another lovely loan officer here.
Hello.
Hi. So we are about to go look at some of the what is it, holiday setup. So let's go. Maybe we'll take some pictures. But I'm not gonna show you my office because that's a gift. Hello, Edwin.
Hey,
Would you like to see my gimbal?
you who?
I think that's what it's called. So this is our lovely man that, you know, just runs everything. Oops, I can't even
Who?
see.
Wait, hold
Let me
on.
see. Sorry,
What is it? What-
I'm new to this. It's tracking my face.
Is it really?
He's
Oh,
the
that's
man around
nice.
here, Capiche. Hey guys, so if you ever need anything in Midtown, he's your guy. In all of Midtown. As you can see, look, hold on. Let's see. So Nations Lending, if you are needing a loan officer in the Atlanta area.
Mortgage girl.
Look at the mortgage girls. Look at all this
Ew.
melanin magic. Hi. So this is outside. We have views. It's beginning to look a lot like home. So they just put up the Christmas tree. Look at this Christmas tree. This is the lobby area. But isn't this so cute? Like people can come up here and pretty much sit. I really want to get some of this Christmas tree action. Yeah, so that's just what it is. I'm gonna show y'all outside because it's a nice sunny day. I'm sure it's cold. They just did some renovations. Well, that's a nice shot. My office is nice too. But let's see. So this is the building. We are, as you can see, cute. Outside, it's a nice day outside. It's nice outside. Yes, I thought it was gonna be cold, but this is our outside garden area. They did some renovations on this earlier this year. It's such a nice day. I feel like I should come out here and do a video one day, but it's been cold. So I'm gonna show you all the view. Go the other way. So if you can see, it's a nice little boom. Views, right? That's so nice. So thinking like in the spring. In the spring I want to have like a outside event. I think it would be cute. Yes. Hi Dana.
So glad to be a part of the team.
Hey. Just a few mortgage girls, you know, out here trying to get it. I should have started recording earlier today so y'all can see my day, but look at this view. We're not gonna look over there. That's like in The Lion King when he was like, everything that the light touches. Well, what's that little shadowy place? That's the West End. We don't go over there. I'm joking. Okay, so let me go back inside. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful gowns, beautiful gowns. Such it motivates you to come to work, you know. Who doesn't want to come to work like this? Tessa is so nice. She's always talking to people. Let's see what she's talking about. Hi. Yes, he does. Am I allowed to do this? No, I didn't ask. Never mind.
Nah, you good.
You remember? No, I'm on. I am on. Let me make sure it's still recording. Oh, so it's a video. I might put it on YouTube. Do you want to be on my YouTube channel?
Yeah, what's your YouTube channel?
Hey, let me tell you about it. So, I do mortgages. This is my mortgage YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
So, do you want to say hey to the people?
What's up, people?
What's up? Tell them how great we are in life.
Wonderful. Awesome. Best ladies in the world, I tell you.
So nice, you know. We say hey, good morning.
Everything.
He's nice. Everything.
Look at us, see? Did you show them the pictures you were taking?
Yes, I actually want to take a picture by the Christmas tree.
Do what you want to do. You could, how you doing?
Let me see.
You can do it, you can do that.
You know.
Yeah, y'all don't lie. Look at y'all get pretty and stuff. Look at y'all. Y'all just the bomb.
We are bomb.
Y'all
Say that again. Say that. Hold on. Gotta get that for the people. They're not gonna believe us. Okay. What you say? What you say?
Hey, they the bomb.
We the bomb.
They the bomb.
It's the bomb.
The bomb. Start calling y'all the bomb.
Okay.
Bomb.
Every time you see us walk through, just be like, phew.
I'll tell you. I got to.
Listen. So don't you like this view better than upstairs?
Yeah.
Cause how long were they doing the renovation?
2 years.
Okay, yeah, that's a long time.
Yeah. I remember my desk used to be over there by the Christmas tree.
No, I wasn't even over here.
Oh yeah.
When this was
That's
open.
My desk used to be over there by the Christmas tree.
Yeah, cause I was working at Colony Square, and then we used to walk down here and go to lunch. But that was like 2016, 2017, 2018, I think. And then now that I'm back over here, most of it was under construction. So
Yeah. Well, I mean, we back up though, so we get this bistro back up. So when they gonna get that back up in the next building, 1200.
I'm trying to get them to let us do an event out here.
What? What kind of?
They're supposed to be giving me an
Have a good
update
night.
because we do a lot of stuff on the second floor, like lunch and learns.
Oh, okay.
But I wanted to do a holiday party, like, you know, out here, how they had that set up with the, different tables and stuff.
Yeah, when we had the grand opening down
Yeah.
here.
That was nice. Okay, what y'all want to do? What y'all want to do? Let's see, I'm about to prop this up right here. Yeah, the light from this view is, it's like blurry. Hold on.
That is such a cool photo, I will say.
Yeah. So, let's see what y'all want to say. We got to say something. We got to make it real cute. All right, y'all. So I'm going to do a little Q&A with my team. So this is Dana and this is Santessa. And I just want to ask y'all, what do you like about being a mortgage professional?
What I love about being a mortgage professional is the ability to help people achieve their dreams of home ownership. Home ownership is considered the American dream, always have been and always will be. I just love the ability to help people to create that generational wealth.
Yay. So what do you like about doing mortgages?
Okay, my favorite part about doing mortgages are the people that we meet while we're trying to help them. People are at this point in their life where they're like, I'm ready to be financially responsible, I want to be a homeowner, and it's exciting to get people to that closing table and get the sign that says just closed or I got the keys. So I love being a part of that happy moment, and even then just helping people prep for pre-approval. So that's cool too. The journey is interesting.
Okay, so I did my video 11 things I love about doing mortgages, so y'all can watch that video. I already answered that. So next question, what do you love about the mortgage networking events and real estate networking events? Okay, you go first this time.
Again, the people that you meet there. So I do real estate events, but I'm also trying to branch over into like just professionals, Atlanta professionals as well. And if I can, when I visit other states, I want to do some networking events there too. But the people we meet there, like the real estate investors are super cool, the realtors are super cool. I love realtor stories. They get crazy. But we got some too, but they're interesting. Being out there in the field and just seeing what other people are going through in their avenue of real estate it's cool. Yeah.
Okay. What do you like about the networking events?
Just meeting new people, actually talking with the realtors and seeing where they're struggling, seeing what opportunities there are that we can work together and help people achieve that goal of home ownership.
Hey. Okay, so this is gonna be my last question. Question number 3, third question's a charm. Let me see. What is something that you feel people need to know about purchasing a home right now in today's market?
If you can afford to purchase right now, go ahead and do it. It's always a good time to purchase real estate. And don't let the naysayers, scare you out of achieving that goal that you have for yourself and your family. Yeah.
Good answer. Okay, what is one thing that you want to tell the people about purchasing a home in today's market?
So one thing I would tell people who are looking to purchase in today's market is preparation is key. So speak to a lender, let them get you on the right path so that you know that you can sleep at night and you can close on the home that you want. But preparation is always going to be key. So speak to a lender.
Speak to us. Any one of us.
Anybody.
Somebody. Just talk to somebody.
Somebody.
From the McCarter Mortgage Group.
Yes.
Preferably.
That is key.
Yes.
And now you got the keys.
Okay, so that was a cute little Q&A. So we'll do that again more. Hopefully you can see more from us. Oh, we're a gang. Look, we are Army, better yet a Navy, better yet crazy. Y'all know that song? Y'all know?
I don't, but I like the jingle.
Oh my goodness.
Bomb Squad.
I just feel old sometimes. Shout out to all my Rihanna fans who know that song.
Rihanna.
I'm down. Y'all don't know that? It's okay. Shout out to all my millennials. This is a Chic Mortgage Millennial.
I almost my millennial card.
It's okay. We're on the other end of the millennials, but yeah, it's okay. Well, hopefully you all like this little tour. We just wanted to do something quick for you all. And if you like it, maybe we'll do it again. So thanks for tuning in. Bye.